radio all day. Just downshifting. And upshifting. If you don't know, we're in the SVJ Roadster right now, guys, with the Gentani exhaust system. This exhaust transformed the car. Sounds like an F1 car. That's why they call it their F1 package, guys. Literally sounds like a Formula 1 car. If you don't have an exhaust on your Aventador or whatever kind of Aventador you have, you're doing it wrong. Hope you guys can hear me. Might not be able to hear me in a second. Car show this morning. Going to this place called Auto Vault. It's a car storage place, and they're doing the Formula 1 race viewing today. They're gonna have catered breakfast, so we're heading over to the pre-meet right now with a few buddies, and we're gonna cruise over there together, guys. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. What blue is yours? Cerulean or? Ludus. Ludus blue. This is Ludus blue. Blue Nila. Nice 458. Another 600 LT. This is Mauvine blue, which is funny because that doesn't look blue. Barney spec. This is sick. If you need your taxes done, this is your accountant right here, guys. I'll put his link in the bio or in the description. These two look nice together. So we're gonna cruise over to Auto Vault now. I'll get some video on the way. That's a cool spot for the Instagram handle. These are great. These sound awesome. 458. This should be fun.
That's all you need. Perfect street car, you know.
Nice turnout at Auto Vault, Marlboro, New Jersey. SF90. Beautiful combo, white on red. Look how low that engine is. Wow. Take a little lap, see what else is over here. A lot of Ferraris. This is Italian Cars and Cannoli Club. McLaren 675. Oh shit, my license expired. I was supposed to do that last night. Chris's 570S. Beautiful color. Luda's blue. Another great color. McLaren knows their colors. I'll tell you that much. Porsche Crew. Cody's GT2 RS. I think this is one of two. Wow, with the yellow roll cage. Porsches stick together. Got a 3RS in lizard green. What do you guys think of the new C8? Better than the C7? I think it is. It's not an exotic, but I think it looks good. Let's go over to the bullpen. Underground.
I need the phone number, but the thing is cutting it off.
Sparkle in the paint, huh? It's hard to get them in pictures, though, you know?
Even the sound, it doesn't do it justice.
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, I was watching the video back. It sounds like nothing compared to how.
Are your ears still ringing?
Yeah, they are. Mine was screwed up. I was standing right there.
You guys are brave.
I felt it on my face. Where's Sal?
It's violent. He's in Miami right now. Yeah.
You gotta get it, buddy.